We're going to talk today about collateral, otherwise known as the appraisal. Knowing what you need up front can make this process a lot easier for you as you look to get qualified for an FHA, VA, USDA, conventional loan, or a jumbo loan. Getting pre-approved is a great first step. Just click here. Each loan requires that we get an appraisal. The appraiser will look to compare homes of like quality and style that have recently sold in the area in which you are looking to purchase or refinance. The appraisal is ordered by us, the lender, but the appraiser is an independent third-party agent. The goal is to get an accurate value that a ready, willing, and able person would pay for the home you are looking to purchase or refinance. The appraiser is not a home inspector. However, they are required to make note of any deferred maintenance items on the appraisal. As always, I'm here to help. Give us a call or email us with any questions on some of the documents needed to get a home loan, and we look forward to working with you.